In this video, I'm going to show you how to use international airtime purchase services using My OneApp by Safaricom. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. So you can easily buy airtime for anyone overseas or overseas using this My OneApp that combines both Safaricom and M-Pesa services. To do this, go to this My OneApp, or if you don't have it, search for it on Google Play Store or App Store, and then just open it, enter your M-Pesa PIN to get started. From here, scroll down to My Finances, and as you can see, we have quite a number of finance options available. For international airtime purchase, tap on View All here, and this will list all the services available on this app. However, you can see under financial services, I can see the international airtime purchase. To get that, go to Global Payments, and under this you should see we have international airtime. So here you can now make airtime purchases using this. So if you tap on this, now here you have quite a number of countries you can choose before you can purchase airtimes. And as you can see, you have popular, and they are also grouped according to the continent here. So you should be able to filter through and get any country you wish to make airtime purchases from or to. So that's how you can use global airtime purchase services using My OneApp. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.